In this code, all we're doing is setting a variable a to 10 and a variable b to high, and that just corresponds with the values of 10 and high being stored in memory. Now, if we come in here and we set a variable c to our variable a, anytime you do an equals like this, all you're doing is taking the value of one variable and setting it to the other. So we take the value of a, which is 10, and set that to our value for c. Now, if we add 1 to c, well, we're just going to increment our value by 1. You'll notice it doesn't change anything to do with our a variable. Now, what happens if we deal with arrays, though? Arrays are a bit different in that instead of storing directly our value, we're storing a reference to our memory, and our memory actually stores our value. So as you can see here, we have a memory address, which stores our value. Now, this means when we modify our c or d, we get some interesting things. For example, if we set d equal to c, you remember what we do is we take the value of the variable and set it to the value of the new variable. So our value for d is going to be the exact same as our value for c. So they both point to the exact same array. That means if we add a value to the end of d, it's going to add it to the end of our array, which is referenced by both c and d, so both c and d get that new value. The only way we can get around this is if we set d to a brand new array, which means d gives its own value.